Well, good morning, everybody. We haven't had any videos coming up recently because we had 3 inches rain over like 2 days, starting I think last Friday, and then we had the weekend, and then yesterday it decided to snow about 6 inches. So that kind of put a stop to my work. There's not much that I've got going that I can do in the snow. So I'm going to just go ahead and plow my driveway and get it to where the FedEx driver might come up and deliver the packages we're supposed to get today. And we will do that. I know you cold country people are going 6 inches of snow and you're complaining about that, but our snow is this wonderful, wet, slimy stuff that my driveway right now, it just packs underneath the tire and turns to instant ice, and it's miserable stuff. I've experienced cold country snow. It's like this beautiful, powdery, white, fluffy stuff that you couldn't make a snowball with if you wanted. Our stuff turns to just instant ice. So our snow sucks. So, well, let's get to plowing. Carefully scrape this off and not mess up my pavers. It would be very easy with this to mess up my pavers. I can get behind it. Try not to mess up my gravel either, like I just did. All right. Okay. Key to this is to leave a little layer of snow, because busting it up like this at the temperatures we're at generally will start it melting. So we're trying to stay out of the gravel. Whoops. Oh my God. Snow is freezing to the tracks, making bouncy spots. Making the blade chop and get into the gravel. Normally doesn't do that. Let's just be right at the right temperature. A little bit of a rough ride. Excuse me. Let's go a little smoother. Want to practice grading? This is a fantastic way to practice grading because you got to be so precise. All right, we'll keep at it here. My driveway needed graded anyways. It's just, this isn't the right way to grade it. I use a clean gravel on my driveway, so it does grade out fairly easily doing stuff like this. Oops. It's been a year since not quite a year since I plowed snow last, and takes a little practice to get back in the hang of staying out of the gravel. It's pretty impossible to not occasionally dip into the gravel, but I try not to. All right, we'll keep at it. snow off that stuff so it ain't drooping over into the road. Speaking of the road, I'm getting off the road. Oh no. Oh, it opened. That was mainly the whole reason I was plowing the driveway was my gate wasn't open. Snow obviously has melted down some. I really actually do not enjoy plowing snow. 2016 though, plowing snow kind of saved my bacon. I'd had just a whole rash of bad luck that year, and money was tight and weather hit hard. I finally just got back to work, and then we had a huge snow, and I kind of thought I was in trouble financially, and then after a few days the phone calls started pouring in for people wanting their driveways plowed, and so for about a week and a half straight, daylight to dark, I did nothing but plow driveways, and that saved me. Then as soon as the snow melted off, there was so much damage to so many of the driveways that then I went straight to work repairing driveways, so it worked out pretty good. But now I will plow driveways for special people, good customers and stuff, but I'm really not interested in plowing driveways. I'm basically doing this because I'm bored. Even though it's not my favorite thing to do, I'm bored. Uh-oh. Just trying to get my gate towed. There we go. Hopefully I didn't hurt my gate. Bump it there a little bit. It looks fine. Just fine. Melt pretty fast. is 10:30, a little after 10:30, and the snow's supposed to be hitting in about noon, so. Just want kind of a fresh start on it. Wednesday is supposed to be the biggest storm for what they're saying, so. But the weatherman also said it was supposed to get down to about 22 degrees last night, and it never got below 32, so, oh. Had a party foul. Nasty looking snow. Well, driveway is plowed. Oh, stuff's going down my neck. Get my hood up. So we got it. Gate opens. Gate opened before. Last night it wouldn't open, so this was built up with snow too much. But it didn't come out too bad. I say, FedEx wasn't supposed to be here today. I wouldn't even have plowed it, but I was bored because I'm just sitting looking at the snow out the window, and that's not very entertaining. So, well, everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and hopefully we can get back to work pretty soon, because this stuff isn't it's pretty hard to work in this other than plowing snow, and I don't want to plow snow. So, everyone, have a wonderful evening. Check out my website, reaverpuredirt.com, and we will catch you on the next one. Maybe we'll get some maintenance done.